let's come to settings. We want to set this up. And for our address, we are going to see this. Let's choose Virginia here. Virginia as our location. And then who are we selling to? This is our address. Who are we selling to? We are selling to all countries. Or you can choose a specific country, and let's just say United States. Probably maybe you are selling only within the US. And location, that's shipping locations. You can see to all countries you sell to. And then default shipping locations, that's shop default customer location, that's shop country. Enable taxes, yes, we'll enable taxes. Currency, US dollar, and we'll click on save changes. Now I will enter prices exclusive of tax. Calculate tax based on customer shipping address. So where you see additional tax classes, we want to add one called custom tax rate, or custom tax, or custom rate, whatever you choose. And then let's click on save changes. Now, when we use save changes, you now see we have custom tax rate has come up here. Click on it. Or the exact link. Okay, this is the exact link. It gives you the different states in America. You can see Oregon has no sales tax. It gives you the different taxes in the different states in America. So you can see like California 7.25. So when we come here, we'll say country code, let's say USA, US, and then California will be CA, and it's 7.25. So anybody buying from California should be ready to pay 7.25%. Let's say Nevada is 6.85. Nevada, US, Nevada should be NV, and it's 6.85%. And then we have these other ones. Let's just do one more. Let's say Kansas is 6.5. KS. US. Kansas is 6.5. And you can go ahead and save changes. You can add more. So now I'm going to toggle off this shipping. I'm going to toggle that off and save that again. So go to all products now. Here we are. Here we are. And then we want to click and add a product. So we are going to start by adding our first product. Let's just see. I'll say white glasses. And it's going to be a simple product. And for the description, I'll just use some lorem ipsum text. Lorem ipsum, I'll use this one that is in English. I'll paste here, Ctrl V. And then this is going to be a simple product. And I'll say these glasses cost $85. And then tax status is taxable. Tax class, let's say custom rate. Remember, we already created those classes, the custom rate. Then inventory, we can see white glasses 001. White glasses for women, because this is for women. And then shipping, the weight, let's say this should be, well, let's just say 10 grams or 50 grams. And then the length, you can give whatever length. You can see this should be 18 centimeters. The width should be 7 centimeters, and the height should be 7 centimeters. And then shipping class, no shipping class, let's leave it the way it is. And then linked products, let's add a product image here, and we are going to upload the product image from my computer. So from all these eyeglasses, I'll choose this one. I'll set it as the product image. And then the product gallery, you can add any other pictures. I'll add some other pictures. I'm going to add this and this. That I've added them to gallery. Categories, I'm going to give the first category women, because this is for women. To publish now, view the product on the front end. So here is a product. You can add to cart, and then you can view your cart. This is the product, free shipping to Virginia. You can change your address, and let's say Kansas. You update it. It still gives you free shipping, and the tax 5.53, and you see total tax plus the amount of the product is 90.53. You can proceed to checkout, and there you go. You can proceed with your payment from here.